Misplaced is a done-for-you luxury organizing experience. It's not your average organizing service. It's an intentional, personalized, stylized approach to systems and solutions for your home. It's a 2 to 5 day transformational experience with not just one, but a team of expert organizers. And we think the most important thing to understand is the transformation is fully your experience without you having to do any of the work. Oftentimes, our clients crave organization, but they feel overwhelmed or they simply don't have the time. Your home transformation matters to us. We want you to feel supported and confident that a beautifully organized home is achievable. And it's gonna feel easier. It's gonna feel like you can breathe. It's even gonna feel inviting. You won't miss out on being the friend or the mother, or if you're like me, the business owner that you really wanna be. And the most important gift you can give yourself is to truly be able to live and flow in your home, to truly receive everything that your home has to offer you, to create a space for you to feel expansive and restored.